So how big is the financial market? Are currency pairs the only assets that are tradable in this financial market? Let's go and find out. My name is Digital Eselsa-FX and welcome back to my channel. This is actually the global financial market, right? And in US oil. One of the reasons why I like the financial market or trading the financial market is because you don't really need to cram anything. All the information you need for you to analyze as the technical analysts are already in the chart. And for example, now this is United States oil. How did I know? Because it is written here in the chart. Can you see this is United States oil? And I am looking at the chart from 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame means that one candle here took 1 hour to form. One candle here is representing the interaction or the activity that took place between buyers and sellers of United States oil in 1 hour. So I am observing the chart from 1 hour time frame perspective. Now, what else can I see here? This chart as a whole, you have the x-axis, which is the horizontal axis, and the y-axis, which is the vertical axis. Now, this x-axis is carrying information about date and time. Now, this y-axis is representing price, while the horizontal axis is representing date and time. So, just by mere observation, I could see that United States oil is trading at 62.27. That means $62 is what I'm going to use to buy 1 barrel of oil in the global financial market. Have you seen? Now, as a technical analyst, all the tools you need are all here. All the tools you need to analyze the trend, to find the market structure and everything, they are all here in this trading view, which is our platform for analysis. Have you seen how simple it is for you to analyze this chart and make informed trading decision? The other thing you just need to learn is to understand the Japanese candlesticks. Learn how to interpret this candlestick. Like I stated in my previous video, you need that scale, the scale, to be able to interpret these candlesticks as the shapes of these candles and their color differs. That is how the information they carry also differs. Now, United States oil is just a commodity, one part of the financial market. And I said that this financial market is very big and broad, very big, and the assets that are traded here are many. Multiplicity of assets are traded in this global market. Now, I like to compare the financial market to university, right? Let's just say something like UNN, my alma mater, or maybe NAU, Nnamdi Azikiwe University. So this is a whole university. Now I want to call it University of Financial Market. Very big, and we have different faculties in this university. Now we have faculty of forex market, faculty of crypto market, faculty of stock market, faculty of commodities, commodity market, faculty of synthetic indices, and faculty of indices, and then others. Now, first of all, look at what I want to show you. The forex market is the most popular aspect of this financial market, the most popular faculty in this financial market. The largest and the most popular is the forex market. Right, up to $7.5 trillion is being traded on a daily basis. $7.5 trillion is being traded on a daily basis. One thing with forex is that yes, we as forex traders, we are not scared of calling this money. This money I called here is very heavy. I'm surprised how the forex traders mention this amount of money easily without any fear, because that is what you do, you trade the financial market. Now, the forex market is the largest. $7.5 trillion is traded on a daily basis. That is the market cap, the daily market cap of the forex market. And here we trade foreign exchange, right? This is foreign exchange. We're exchanging one currency. We are trading currency pairs. And these currencies of the forex market are traded in pairs. For example, here, I just gave three examples of each of the assets under this faculty. So this is faculty of forex market. I have Euro USD here. The first asset here, Euro, is the base currency, while the second one, USD, is the quote currency. That these assets are traded in pairs. Now, if I open the chart of Euro USD, for example, this chart is going to be showing us how many United States dollar, which is the quote currency that you can use to exchange or buy the base currency Euro. Same with GBP USD, USD JPY, and other the assets, the currency pairs under the forex market is very big. A lot of them, the list is inexhaustible. If you're a forex trader, you know what I mean. Now, next in the forex market, in terms of largeness and size, is the crypto market. In the crypto market, $2 trillion is traded in this crypto market on a daily basis. 2 trillion, that's a huge sum of money. It's the amount of money traded in the crypto market on a daily basis. Here, just as the name implies, crypto, we are analyzing the cryptocurrencies. Here, BTC USD, Ethereum USD, Solana USD, at how many dollars is going to buy one BTC. That is what the chart of this crypto market is telling us about. Now, next to the crypto market is the faculty of stock market. The stock market is also a very big market, right? Here we trade the stock of big companies. You guys know those giant companies in the United States, not just in US, so many other countries, we trade their stocks. For example, Tesla, Amazon, Apple. So we are trading the shares and the stock of these companies. Alright, so we have a chart showing you how much the shares of Tesla is being sold. If Tesla is gaining value, their shares will keep on increasing, and if they are losing value, the shares will keep on decreasing. So the chart is there for you to analyze. Now we also have the commodity market. Commodity market is also very important. In fact, most people trade, one of the most traded commodities is actually gold. For example, someone that is trading gold calls himself a forex trader, while in the actual sense, gold is actually a commodity. Gold is a commodity, US oil is a commodity, silver is actually a commodity. Silver is XAG, gold is XAU, and crude oil is WTI. Now, these commodities are exchanged with currency. You just have to understand the unit of measurement of these commodities. You can trade it with any asset, both AUD, USD, and Euro. Right? Now, another part of the financial market, the faculty of indices. I've not really traded these particular indices that much, but I have friends that specialize in trading only the indices market. Here you see them trading US 30, trading US 500. US 500 is S&P 500. Then US that can also be called Dow Jones, right? And also NAS 100, which is also called the US Tech. So this is the indices market, a very volatile market. And you need high level of expertise for you to be able to make trading decisions in this indices market. Now, finally, most of you know about synthetic indices. Synthetic indices is also one part of the financial market I don't want to leave behind, because the reef have been gaining popularity in the financial market, right? These assets that we call volatility indices, there are a lot of volatility pairs, step index, jump index, boom and crash. These are synthetic indices that are traded only on the reef broker. Now, have you seen how big the financial market is? So no single person trades all these assets at once. What we do as financial market analysts is that once you gain these skills, the skill of technical analysis, risk management, and psychology, and you understand how to analyze using Japanese candlesticks, because Japanese candlesticks is actually one of the best charting methods we use to make informed trading decisions from the chart, because Japanese candlestick gives us a lot of information that we need at our disposal as retail traders. It gives us information about the open, the close, the momentum, and also the high and the low of price at that particular trading session. So these are the information we combine to be able to make informed trading decision. Now, one good thing is that once you've learned these skills, you gain the skill of technical analysis, you can apply it either to the forex chart, forex market, crypto market, commodity market, indices or synthetic indices, or even stock market. It is the same principle. Once you learn the principle, you can just apply it to any chart of your choice. So let me know your best part in this financial markets. Are you a forex trader, trading currency pairs, or you combine it with commodity trading, trading gold and US oil, or crypto, stock, synthetic indices, and the indices market? Let me see what your opinion is in the comment section. Peace.